In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the 50 EMA in TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or want to refine your chart setup, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you end up with a clear and functional chart to aid your trading decisions. Let's start by opening your TradingView chart. Once you're in, you'll notice a toolbar along the top. Look for the icon that represents indicators. It's typically shaped like a little graph or pie chart. You can either click on this icon or simply press the / key on your keyboard to open the Indicators menu. This is where you'll access a range of indicators to enhance your charting experience. In the search bar within the Indicators menu, type Exponential Moving Average. From there, you'll see a list of results. The one you're looking for is the built-in exponential moving average associated with price data. Click on it to add it to your chart. If you've done this correctly, your chart should now display a new line across it. This will be your moving average, but we're not quite done yet. Once the exponential moving average appears on your chart, check out the chart legend that appears just below the chart's symbol. You should see a reference to EMA with a number in parentheses. This number is the current setting for the period of the moving average, and we want to adjust that. To do so, locate and click on the gear icon found beside the EMA reference. This small gear will open up a configuration window, allowing us to adjust the EMA to our desired settings. In the window that appears, navigate to the Inputs tab. Here, there's an option labeled Length. You'll want to change this to 50. Doing so will set the period of your moving average to 50, calibrating it to filter out more noise and giving a smoother representation of the trend based on the last 50 periods of price data. Ensure the source is set to close, as this means each period's closing price will be used in the calculation, which is typical for an EMA. Next, let's enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your EMA line. Move over to the Style tab in this same configuration window. Here, you can personalize the line by choosing a color that stands out against your chart's background or complements other lines you might have. Similarly, you can adjust the thickness of the line for better visibility. Once you're satisfied with these settings, simply click OK to apply your changes. Your 50 EMA is now all set up, and it should be prominently displayed on your TradingView chart, ready to assist you in your trading analysis. Feel free to tweak the settings further as you become more familiar with how the EMA can complement your trading strategies. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.